Today we'll be taking a closer look at the new C65 Dune collection from Christopher Ward, and more exactly the full bronze chronometer model. The collection itself consists of 3 models: a regular steel 3-hand model with black, blue, green, and white dial powered by a Sellita SW200 and priced at $850. Then we have this bronze version with a chronometer certified version of the SW200 priced at $1465, available with an emerald green dial and this blue one. And finally, a limited edition GMT version in steel, powered by the Sellita SW330 and available as a black dial only. That one has a price of $1,380. The Dune collection is made to give the style of a field watch, but done in a more dressy and flashier style. This is evident in the use of sunburst effect on the dial, as well as use of polished hands and markers. This bronze version raises the flashiness even more due to the use of gold color on the said markers and hands. It creates a rather unique looking piece, and with a clean bronze case that hasn't gained patina, it almost looks like you're wearing a rose gold watch. I personally love the look, and it really makes the watch stand out, especially because of the all bronze bracelet. It creates a very homogeneous design where everything on the watch and dial ties in very well. The case, with 38mm in diameter and relatively short lug-to-lug, hugs my 6.7-inch wrist perfectly, even with the T-shaped end links that increase the lug-to-lug to a still very reasonable 48, while the inclusion of on-the-fly adjustment on the clasp means you will always be able to find the perfect fit. There is only one downside of having a bronze bracelet: it will stain your wrist with black color. It is currently winter where I live, and it left stains even though I'm not really sweating, meaning in the summer months, with humidity and heat, the staining will be even worse. It is not a deal breaker, as it comes off easily when you wash your hands, but it is something I felt the need to warn you about. Some brands like Zelos try to solve that by making the inner part of the bracelet steel, but I don't know if that works to completely eliminate the problem. The finishing on the watch and the dial is very good, with markers and the color matched to date disc as well as the date cutout being pretty much flawless. The weak points are again the hands that have scratches and dust all over them. Again, not visible with your naked eye, but quite visible under macro. Since all their watches I review are pre-production prototypes, I cannot confirm it is a problem with regular production watches that get sent to customers, but they should definitely improve on the hands on prototypes as well, especially considering how well the rest of the watch is finished. The movement, like I said earlier, is a COSC certified version of the Sellita SW200 that beats away at 28,800 bph, comes with both hacking and hand winding, and has a quick set date. Pretty much everything you want from a modern Swiss movement. Being a chronometer, I did test the accuracy over a couple of weeks, and it has been pretty consistent at +4 seconds a day, which is very good. The movement is visible through the exhibition caseback, and although it won't win any hot horology prizes, it is pretty well finished and nice to look at. With the Dune collection, Christopher Ward created a blend of their subtle field watches and more flashy dive watches, creating a great everyday piece with a reasonable size and legible styling. The screw-in crown and 100 meters of water resistance also means the watch can handle any water activity, making it a true go-anywhere, do-anything type of a watch, while the price is fair considering it is completely made out of bronze and powered by a chronometer movement. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and until the next video, bye.